Ejector box. The ejector box should be moved slowly and safely from the truck bed. Crew members must be observant of their surroundings and should effectively communicate with the forklift operator and the rest of the crew via hand signals. Ensure the machine components are transported slowly and safely through the facility. The cosmoline applied for protection during transport should be cleaned off of all machine surfaces. The ejector box goes between the moving platen and the pancake platen. It has 4 pins that will match up with the 4 holes in the moving platen. Place the ejector box pins into the holes of the moving platen. For safety purposes, once the ejector box is mounted to the moving platen and before it is mounted to the pancake platen, the weight of the ejector box must be supported or braced. Install, torque, and mark the 12 bolts, holding the ejector box to the moving platen. It is important to note that before moving the pancake platen up to the ejector box, remove the 4 red painted bolts holding the pancake ram in the pancake platen. Move the pancake platen up to the ejector box and install, torque, and mark the 12 bolts holding the ejector box to the pancake platen.